So hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel guys. So first of all, good morning to all of you who all are watching me right now. So as always, even I don't know what kind of things am I going to show you through this vlog, but yes, actually this morning my father asked me to go to the forest. Actually he has gone to the forest and my father asked me after tying my cattle. Now as you can see, I am outside from my house. Just after tying my cattle towards river in the pasture, then I will have to go to my father in the forest to get some bamboos. Yes, my father actually this morning, as I told you right now, he asked me to go to the forest to get bamboo. So that is why just after tying my cattle in the river, I will have to go. And then apart from this work, I don't know what all kind of things am I going to show you. But yes, in order to continue this blog, I am gonna teach a lots of English sentences by using whatever I am gonna come across with. I am gonna teach some sentences by using the things like such as, just now I have cattle, so now I can make some sentences by using the cattle. As you can see, now I have cattle, so first I have to tie my cattle, and then okay, let's see whatever I will got, I'm gonna teach sentences, right? First here I have fence. This is called fence, and the owner of this corn crop has made this fence in order to not get any cattle in his crop, right? That is why the owner had made this fence, right? As well, this is pineapple crop. And now okay, let me take them towards river. Hey, see what I took in my hand. This is called steam, and I took it steam as a stick because today I have forgot to took my stick. Actually sometimes my cattle bother me, and when I took this stick they are not bothering me. So that is why after taking this stick, now I can take them river without any hassle. So that is why this stick is important to make my cattle scared. And now I have reached in the river. As you can see, oh my god, there are lots of dust. As you can see, the moment my cattle's walking, and there are lots of dust also flying, as you can see. Okay, so finally I have come at my destination, and my destination is the field. Yes, the field where I am going to tie my cattle. So that is why I call it a destination. Actually I had to come here, so that is why I have come here. So that is why I can call it this place a destination. Okay, so now it's time to tie my cattle. So first I have to choose a place where is so much grass than this place, because as you can see here all around me everywhere the grass has completely arid. So that is why first I have to choose a nice place where is so much grass than this place, because here as you can see there is not even a single green leafy grass so that they can eat them, right? Okay, so I think I have got a place where I should tie my cattle. So first I have to tie. So what is the process of tie my cattle? So first I am going to unfold, and okay, first I have to untie and then unfold, and after unfold then I will have to tie my cattle one by one, and then it has peg, PEG back. If you guys have watched my previous video, you guys know that what this is called, right? By the way, this is called peg, and this peg I will have to put inside the soil by supporting my foot. Yes. Okay, so now let's tie. See, now I have put my peg inside the soil, and also in order to make it harder, I made a knot here, as you can see. And now my cattle cannot drag out this peg, right? So now I'm going to show you a bird that is sitting in the branch of the tree, as you can see, and that is watching me. Hey bro, what are you doing? Okay, so finally I have tied two of my cattle here, as you can see. By the way, there is no any place where there is so much grass, so that is why I tie them here, right? And also there was someone who has also tied their cattle and went home, and such as I also have tied my cattle here. And now it's time to go home. By the way, I should go home or directly I should go to my father. Okay, let's see. First let me reach halfway, then I will decide where I should go. Okay, so now I have put on slippers. So do you guys ever thought, Nakul, why you always come by putting on your slippers? So guys, here is a big reason. Yes, here is a huge reason, and the reason is, now I'm going to show you a plant. This is kind of a plant, and it has a lots of skype. It has lots of skype all around the plant. So that is why, because of this plant, I always have to come by wearing these slippers. Yes, that's the huge reason. And not just this plant and this kind of plant, there are lots of, like sometimes I will get to see even a cats, and these slippers always protect me from the splinters. Yes, that is why you guys see I always come whenever I have to come to the river with my slippers. Yes, that's the big reason. Okay, so now let me hit the road. Can you guys see the bicycle just behind me? By the way, I know how to ride bicycle. By the way, do you guys know? If yes, please let us know in the comment below. Hey guys, there are some people in front of me. They are going to work by riding cycle. By the way, in my city, you will get to see a lots of cycle than bike, because we all are, most of the person, we all are poor. So that is why, being a poor, you will get to see a lots of cycle. Yes. She is an old grandmother and she is boiling paddy in order to turn it rice, as you can see. This is a pond. Okay, so now I am going to my father in the forest. By the way, I don't know the specific place where he has gone. This is called a drain and I am walking in the sidewalk. So now I am looking for my father, but I don't know where he is. Here there are a bunch of herons. This bird called herons. Now I am hearing some sounds of cutting bamboos. Maybe my father will be here. Okay, I'm going to show you. I went to the wrong place and now I am going to the right place. He is my father. So finally we have done to cut our bamboos. There are 5 bamboos we have cut and now it's time to take them home. So one of my bamboos, my father take them home and now it's my turn. Okay, so by the way guys, it would be too wet. So as you can see, there is no any bus, which weight is so much less. As you can see, it has too much weight. But even after having a too much weight, I also have to take them home. Wow, oh my god, I can't even shake it. As you can see, really halat kharab. I got tedious and also out of breath. Okay, so I have come to bring next one. I am feeling shoulder ache. Yes, I don't know, see. Okay, so this is my last one and this is huge, and this one my father will get. Now it is for mine. Okay, so now I have come in my home. So first I have to wash my feet. This is my faucet, and if I up down and if I press down, it will give us water. Okay, so now I just wash my face and I am feeling too warm, so that is why I am unbuttoning my shirt. I dry off my face, and now after a few moments I will have to go to the river with this cow to tie them in the river. And now, as long as my father do not milk from the cow, so now I am free. So that is why I am entering my home, and then I will watch whatever I want. See what I got in my hand, and now I'm going to, this is called a juju. Delicious. So I am here across the river, and actually today we sold one of my cow to my father's friend. Yes, my father's friend I have sold, and I don't know what is the price. Yes, today I have sold and I have come here to take them. Okay, I have got a fish here. Okay, as you can see, wow, जिंदा है थोड़ा बहुत. हाँ, सच में again I have got a fish. Wow. No, nothing is more. Just one I have got, and I'm not gonna take them home because nothing will happen with these 2 fish. Okay, so now actually I am here. Do you guys know why? Actually today we have sold one of my cow to my father's friend. Yes, to my father's friend I have sold to them. So actually there are 3 cows in my home, so one of them I have sold to my father's friend. Yes, and now there are 2 cows is left in my home. Then especially for that is why I have came here. And now it's okay, another fish is coming here. Wow, as you can see. Wait, okay. Wow, I catch it, as you can see. Actually, it's alive. As you can see, wow, it started swimming. There are some women walking on the river. As you can see, just they are going to somewhere, so that is why. Actually, they were asking to me how much water in it, and I said no, just like me. Okay, so if I have come here, I can give water to my other cattle that I have tied in the morning, because if I will go home, then I will not feel like to come again, right? So that is why it will be good if I give water right now. Okay, so first I'm gonna give water to my cattle and then I will back home. Okay guys, so finally I have done to tie my another cattle by giving them water, and this is another guy who has also come to give water in his cattle, and also we both are done to work, and now it's time to back home. Yes, finally, as you can see, there is another one who is right to the river, and just behind me there is another guy who is coming by his bicycle, and I'm gonna ask him, will you allow me to hop on your bicycle? Okay, so finally I have sat and this rear of this cycle. Guys, I get off from his cycle because just behind me, after a few moments, there were in place was sand, and in the sand it was not possible to ride in the sand, so that is why I get up, and here is watering so much, and now I am going to drink water because I am feeling too thirsty. So that is why, in order to kill my thirsty, now I am gonna drink. And now I will gonna go there. Okay. See. Okay guys, so now I just had rest, and now it's time to go home. Okay, so first let me reach home, then I will take bath, then I will have lunch. Okay guys, so now I have take a bath, and my dad is getting bamboos now. I am opening up this door. Nas. Okay, hey, why have you switched off? And it's time to apply oil on my hair, and also time to comb. So just after having lunch, now my father asked me to go to the shop and get a blade for the saw, SAW, saw. Actually, my father asked me to get a saw blade. Yes. Hello guys, so now I asked to this kid to hop on this cycle, so that is why I am sat on his bicycle, and now I have got this blade for the saw. It's the turning point. Okay, aste. Okay, so now I am gonna stop this recording, otherwise people will think, what a man, why are you trying to become an Englishman, right? This is blade of my saw. So hey guys, so now I am here in the tea crop. As you can see, by the way, it's 4 p.m. and at this time I every day go to the river to get my cattle, but instead of going, but now I am here. Actually, there are some bamboos is left to take home, so that is why now I have to take them home first, then I will go to the river to bring my cattle. Yes. So now, as you can see, next time I have got this towel. Do you know why I brought this? Actually, this bamboo weight is too much, so that is why, in order to not feel too much weight, that is why I got this. Yes. Yes guys, now I am feeling so comfy as compared to first time. Yes. So now, as you can see, first I put the towel on my shoulder and then I put this. Okay guys, so now there are just 2 bamboos left to take them home, and after that I'll have to go to the river to take my another cattle. And now here I want to record this video because here is nothing any special to show you. Yeah, so that's all about today guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for such kind of English content. So bye bye.